Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log in the Service Canada account. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar simply type in Service Canada login, and then hit go enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link saying My Service Canada account. Scroll down. Here you can sign in using your Interact sign-in partner, your GCKey username and password, or your provincial sign-in. If you do not have an account, you must hit register for an account before you try and log in. Scroll down again. Here, you must register either using your Interact sign-in partner, your GCKey, or your provincial sign-in. For now, we're going to be tapping on the first option, after which you'll also have to select your bank that you want to sign up with. For now, we're going to be selecting Alberta Treasury branches. Scroll down again. Here you'll have to select if you have a social insurance number or not. For now, we're going to be selecting yes. You'll also have to fill in your other details like your information. You need to verify your identity. You can verify with your Interact verification service or with a personal access code. After you've filled everything in, you can hit next and follow the rest of the on-screen instructions to create your account. Once you have created your account, head back over and choose the option that you signed up with. As we signed up with Interact Sign-In Partner, tap on Interact Sign-In Partner, enter your username along with your password that you set up in your account, and then sign in to your account. For any further questions, here you must select your sign-in partner that you chose earlier. As we chose ATB, you're going to tap on ATB, and now you'll have to enter your username along with your password that you signed up with, and then hit login to log into your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.